Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Get ready to dive into the world of architectural marvels and cutting-edge technology as we explore the incredible Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa stands as a symbol of human achievement, touching the skies at a staggering height of 828 meters. But did you know that beneath its awe-inspiring exterior lies a treasure trove of technological innovations that make it not just a building, but a masterpiece? Every great structure begins with a solid foundation. The Burj Khalifa's foundation is a feat of engineering in itself. Its deep concrete mat, supported by board-reinforced concrete piles, ensures unparalleled stability in the face of harsh environmental conditions and the city's bustling activity. Teams of dedicated engineers and construction workers employed cutting-edge techniques to lay this foundation, guaranteeing the tower's stability and longevity. And now, let's talk elevators. The Burj Khalifa boasts a fleet of high-speed elevators that whisk visitors to the observation decks at astonishing speeds. These elevators use state-of-the-art technology to provide a smooth and comfortable journey. Equipped with interactive digital displays, these elevators offer a virtual journey through time, showcasing the evolution of Dubai and the tower itself. In an era where sustainability is paramount, the Burj Khalifa stands tall as a beacon of green technology. Its unique design minimizes energy consumption, and its reflective glass panels reduce heat and glare. Solar panels harness the sun's energy, contributing to the building's power needs. Rainwater harvesting systems further emphasize its commitment to a greener future. As the sun sets, the Burj Khalifa transforms into a mesmerizing light spectacle. The LED lighting system, comprising thousands of individual bulbs, paints the night sky with a kaleidoscope of colors. Each evening, this technological marvel creates a breathtaking visual display that captures the essence of Dubai's vibrancy. The Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, incorporates a wide range of technologies to achieve its iconic status and functionality. Some of the key technologies used in the construction and operation of the Burj Khalifa include structural engineering. The Burj Khalifa's unique design required advanced structural engineering techniques. It features a central concrete core that provides stability, surrounded by a perimeter of steel columns. The Y-shaped floor plan helps distribute the building's weight evenly. Concrete mix design. A special high-strength concrete mix was developed to withstand the immense pressures and stresses at such heights. This mix includes materials like silica fume to enhance strength and durability. Elevators. High-speed elevators use cutting-edge technology to transport visitors to the observation decks quickly. They employ advanced control systems to ensure smooth and efficient movement. Climbing formwork. The construction of the Burj Khalifa used a system of self-climbing formwork, allowing the exterior to be built more efficiently while ensuring safety for workers. Wind engineering. Given the building's height, wind forces are a significant concern. Advanced wind tunnel testing was conducted to analyze how the building interacts with wind, leading to modifications in design to mitigate its effects. Materials and facade. The exterior of the Burj Khalifa features a curtain wall system with reflective glass panels that help manage heat and light. These materials were carefully chosen to balance aesthetics, energy efficiency, and functionality. Cooling system. Dubai's harsh climate necessitates effective cooling systems. The Burj Khalifa uses a district cooling system that reduces the energy demand for cooling the building. Lighting and LED displays. The tower's lighting system includes thousands of LED fixtures that allow for stunning light displays on special occasions. These lights are energy efficient and can be controlled to create impressive visual effects. Observation deck technology. The observation decks are equipped with high-definition telescopes and interactive displays that provide visitors with information about the building, the city, and landmarks. Smart building management. Advanced building management systems control lighting, temperature, and other aspects of the tower's operation to ensure efficiency and comfort. Fire and safety systems. State-of-the-art fire detection and suppression systems are incorporated to ensure the safety of occupants and visitors. Sustainable technologies. While not a primary focus during the construction, there are efforts to make the Burj Khalifa more sustainable. These include measures like efficient lighting systems, recycling, and water conservation practices. These technologies collectively contribute to the Burj Khalifa's status as an architectural marvel and an engineering feat, allowing it to stand as the world's tallest building while offering functionality, comfort, and safety to its occupants and visitors. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. See you soon.